Hello everyone, welcome to my Docker tutorial series. In this video, we're gonna explore Docker help command. If you want to get quick documentation for every command, you can do with the help of Docker help. If I write Docker help, make sure your Docker is running on your machine. These are all the commands are available in the Docker. You can see that we have attach, build, commit, create, docker pull. In the first video we used docker pull command and we used docker run. If you want to see the documentation of docker pull, you can see run that command docker help pull. It will give you the usage of how to use the command. You can see we have docker pull. You can provide couple of options and you need to provide the name of your image. It's gonna pull the image from the repository. This is a quick documentation of this command. These are all the options are available for you. Let's say I want to look up the documentation for a docker run command. I can say docker help. Please give me the documentation of help command. This is the quick documentation of docker run. You can attach std out, std in. You can also run a docker run image in a container and print the container ID. We're gonna use this -t option. You can also provide the env list. If you want to set the environment variables while running the docker container, you can use the -e. These are all the options are available. This is how you can get the quick overview of how to use any command in Docker. I want you to read all of these commands. What's the purpose? So you get the just basic idea. Let's say I want to say Docker images. It's going to print all of the images. You can see all of the images you have. I have only right now hello world image. So I got the hello world images. If you want to run that, you can do that by using the run command. Docker run hello world. So I got the hello world response here. If you want to see Docker version, Docker update, Docker search the Docker hub for image. You can use this command. Save one or more image to archive. You can use this command save. Remove one or more containers. You can use rm command. Docker push. If you want to push an image to a repository, you can use the push command. Docker ps list all of the containers. You can see how many containers are running right now. I don't have any container right now, that's why I got the empty response. That will give the container ID, image, command, created, and the status. This is helpful command. You can look up the quick documentation of any command available in the Docker.